Okay folks, so welcome to the Isle of Man 2026 TT. I've got the pleasure of riding this beautiful little thing here. Look at this. Okay, this is a limited edition BMW just for the TT. What number have we got? 115, and I've got number... Ooh, is that number 1? Wow, Jesus. Look at it, carbon fibre everywhere, it's dripping in Exotica. It's absolutely beautiful, brand spanking fire new. And I've got the pleasure of thrashing this around the TT course in beautiful conditions. Look at this, how nice is this? Okay, so here we go. Let's get out of here. JB's just in front of us. John Barton, he's the deputy clerk of the course, and also he's a rider's liaison officer with me. He's going to be the camera bike on the M1000, so we're going to be doing a few passes, and yeah, hopefully should be some fun for you. Show you a few lines. Here we go up the south ramp. Looks like Barty's already gone. Here we go. Woohoo! Here we go. Let's get on it. Here we go. Woohoo! Pop it right hill. Phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. Honestly, it just drives and drives and drives and drives. Yeah, no warmers, brand new tyres. Yeah, never even ridden on the tyres, so yeah, it was all good. Yeah, we were doing 160 odd mile an hour within, what, 15 seconds, so yeah. The electronics are fantastic on it as well. I mean, it just kills that wheelie. You know, you don't want a massive wheelie, so it just drives through it. It's just easy to ride effectively. Caught me out a couple of times to see how sharp it is. It just drops into the corner, it's like a 600. It doesn't feel like a litre bike, you know, a litre bike's normally quite lardy and heavy, but oh my god, this just turns into the corner. Let's get down the gear. Nice and gentle, nice and gentle. Up now on towards Lower Bank, look for the inside, the corner on the railing from the inside. There we go. Can't do it from the inside of here. Let's get this way. No, can't get that way. Which way can I get up to the drive out on the exit? Yeah, careful to it. Dead stable, dead stable. A little bit of movement obviously, but we're doing stupid speeds, aren't we? So this place is the true test of product. I mean, we're on the bumpiest track in the world. I mean, you go to all these smooth tracks and you're testing a road bike, you're not testing them to the limit. This is where it's at. You know, this is a proper racetrack, this is a proper road, and this is what these bikes were made for. So, yeah, just phenomenal. Look at the village here now, look at this. How fast is this? It used to be they were road bikes and everyone converted them race bikes. Now they're a race bike. You have to turn into a road bike effectively. So yeah, so they are just fantastic. You know, like you say, some clever fellas have designed this. It's just nuts. Yeah, it's a phenomenal bit of kit. It's nice to christen it. Thank you for the honour of riding it as well. I really enjoyed it, especially on a glorious day like today. What else can I say? It's just fantastic. Well then, kids, I didn't really talk much on that, did I? Jesus Christ, that was a bit fast and frenetic. All good though. What a fucking motorcycle this is. A production motorcycle that is that fast is just phenomenal. Oh my God, what a weapon. Oh, I want one. Yeah, I do. I really want one.